Hi, welcome to modeling graphics. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to save your design project with your smartphone on PixelLab. Here on PixelLab. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to show you some of my projects which I have designed and saved. I've given it a size on PixelLab and it has come well. I'm going to show you some videos to show you a proof. This is one of the project I done earlier early this year. Let's check. I snapped some video while I was putting, like I told you, I'm a printer. I work for my boss. All right, see the video. Now another proof. Let's look at another proof. Please be patient. There is one of design this 7x4 size. Then I'm going to import the image. I have it as image. I do not video as now the designs. All right. This is when I was printing the design on the printer. This when we print it finished. It was a lot of work that time, so I had to just snap it. Yeah, can you see? Can you see it now? I have some books which I wrote PixelLab size. The link will be in the descriptions. I will drop the link in the description. Let's get to the work now. How to save your design project for printing, right? Now let me explain some things. Although it is explained in the book, but I have to explain it also here on in this video. We have conversion of CMYK. You don't need to bother about converting your design to CMYK with your smartphone. It will be done on the Corel Draw. You know, when you send your design, you don't send your design to printer directly. You send it to them in their reception or anywhere. They help you to do the size on their Corel Draw. They change the size and they also change it to CMYK because the machine does not understand RGB. The machine does not understand RGB. All right, everything is explained inside the book. All right, then how do you save your design project in PixelLab? You tap on this icon. All right, you tap on it. You tap on save. You tap on PNG to bring out the quality very well. Yeah, then you tap on this ultra. You don't need to increase the size, just give it the normal size. The design will come out well. Then you tap on save to gallery. You see now the design is saving. Design is saving, and that is it. You don't need any something. And once your design is safe, take it to the printer. They help you to do the size. They change it to CMYK, and your design will come out well. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also click the notification bell in order to see more video.